Hey guys, I'm Sheena. I'm the founder of Kosas, and something you may not know about me is that I'm a first-generation Iranian American. That means that my parents immigrated here from Iran, and I was actually the first member of my family on both my mom and dad's side to be born in the US. Back in the 80s when I was born, it was really common for Iranian women to work for beauty brands and department stores, and that is exactly what my mom did my whole life. She brought home tons of makeup from work, and I spent all my time playing with it, and that's how I fell in love with makeup and wanted to create a brand of my own. Today I'm showing you my Nowruz makeup look. Nowruz is the Iranian New Year, and this is a huge holiday for Iranians all around the world. Iranians use the solar calendar, and the first day of the year is the first day of spring. It's my absolute favorite time of year because it symbolizes new beginnings, and we get to spend a ton of time with friends and family. This look that I'm creating follows the three key elements of a Kosas look: skin that pops using Glow IV and Revealer foundation, fluffy face-framing brows using Brow Pop and Air Brow, and gorgeous, juicy, super flattering lip color, which today is Wet Lip Oil Gloss in Unbuttoned. Happy Nowruz to all of you.